Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going into another tool company that I saw at PRI, Performance Racing Industry. It's a big show, kind of like SEMA but for the racing industry, but I ran into Tekton there. And you guys might remember a lot of reviews that I've done over Tekton, and I absolutely love their products. It's a great quality tool for a great price. And you guys may know from my previous videos that they've moved a good amount of their lineup to the USA. You got USA made screwdrivers, pliers, pry bars, punches and chisels, air hoses. I mean, a lot of good products made in the USA now for a really good price. Well, I'm about to show you a couple clips of some of their new lineup. They also have new 90-tooth ratchets, a big lineup, so check those out in the clips if you're interested. Here in 2019 and possibly now, they'll be available. So just keep that in mind. I'll try and link what I can while I can. I don't think I'll be able to link what I'm about to tell you about just yet. But you guys might remember an old roll of Tekton wrenches that I had. They were the offset angle, the double open end. Well, they took it off the market a couple years ago because it wasn't up to their standard of what their lineup is today. But they finally re-released it, and guess what? It's a wrench set made in the USA from Tekton, and they compared it to a Snap-on that they had there. And I tell you what, it's absolutely beautiful. And the great thing is, the prices don't even compare. You're not paying $750 for a wrench set, not even $500 or $400 or $300. For a 12-piece set, I believe, $120. For a 16-piece set, $200. And I tell you what, I'm about to jump on it because they're a beautiful wrench set, and I really hope you guys enjoy the quick clip that I'm about to show you of these and their other lineup. So just keep that in mind. But other than that, they do have another great thing going on, and that is a student program now. I'll try and throw up a picture of how to sign up for that. If you're a student, whether you're in high school or college, you can sign up for this, get 30% off, free shipping, and the limit of $2,000. Now, other student programs might be up there at $10,000 or $15,000, but those tool companies, their prices are much higher. So with Tekton, for that $2,000 limit, you're still gonna get a lot of tools. And for 30% off and free shipping, whether you buy one item or 100 items, it's gonna be free. So that's great. They also have a great warranty process. So I think it's great that they're doing a student discount, helping those out. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoy these clips, and thank you guys so much for watching. All right, YouTubers, I'm over here with Tekton. You guys know Tekton. I do a lot of reviews on their products. If you guys are looking for a good quality tool for a really good price, this is what you're going to want to check out. You got some of their engineers here that actually designed a wrench set for them, and it's made in the USA. And I'll go over and show you a quick look at that.
Warranty, but how our warranty works, it's always guaranteed lifetime warranty.
So over here, you have this beautiful wrench set from 8 to 19. It's a 12-piece set for $120, made in the USA. And like always, Tekton with their beautiful chrome job, minus all these fingerprints of everybody touching them. But absolutely beautiful, USA made. I'm really glad Tekton has been switching a lot of products over to USA made tools. Huge lineup of different wrenches, you guys know it. Great warranty process, and they actually do have a student program. I will share that information with you guys later. Here they even have a 2-inch and a 50mm wrench. A lot of different options. You guys know they have USA made pliers, screwdrivers, pry bar sets, punches, chisels. And they do have a new lineup of ratchets as well, which I believe they said was 90-tooth.
90-tooth. All these chrome ratchets here are 90-tooth. Even we do 72-tooth on the 3/4 inch, which is a high tooth count for that size drive.
You guys know Tekton with their beautiful chrome job. Everything's very clean.
How you doing? Save 20% on Tekton.com purchase?
I'd share a 20% off discount code with you guys, but it's a one-time use, so it doesn't really make much sense. But I will share that student discount information with you guys as well. Here's their USA made screwdrivers and nut drivers. I absolutely love those. Here's their impact socket sets. Great prices on those if you haven't checked them out. You guys know it'll all be linked down in the description for you guys. Here's some of their torque wrenches. Stay tuned for more. Alrighty, YouTubers. So not only do they have those new USA made wrenches, but as you guys might not know, these are Tekton's made in the USA organizers. They have the wrench organizers like I already have, the identical socket organizers which have the twist lock action on them so you're not losing your socket. You got like your stubby wrench holders or screwdriver holder. Yeah, that's a screwdriver holder. It's actually pretty handy. Then you have these nice wrench rolls if you want to take it on the go. They also have hangers on them if you want to hang them above your toolbox. So really nice little setup from Tekton here. Alrighty, YouTubers, so I really hope you guys enjoyed those clips right there. One thing I really want to point out before I end the video, you guys know I got my Amazon links down in the description now that are much more organized and user-friendly, I would say. But I want to mention one more thing that Tekton's doing that's pretty awesome. So whether you order Tekton tools from my Amazon link down in the description, or you can go to the actual Tekton website and create an account. Simple information, just, you know, username, password, and stuff like that. Well, when you buy from Tekton's website, not only is it free shipping, you got that warranty, but even if you don't have a discount code or whatever, like say 20% off, or you're not a student so you don't get the 30% off, they still do a program to where you get 5% back on whatever you purchase from them. So you order $100 worth of stuff, you get 5% back, so the next time you buy from Tekton's website, you already have a little cash amount on your account, so you can use that for future purchases. That's really awesome. And right now, until Christmas, until the day after Christmas or the day of Christmas, I don't know, they're doing 3 times that amount, so you're getting 15% back. I just ordered a bunch of stuff from them, just got $15 back, so that's fantastic. So when they release these USA made wrenches, which is currently sold out, obviously you guys know why, it's a great wrench set. As soon as it's back in stock, I'm going to be ordering it, and I'll use that cash that I just earned back, and I think that's a great deal. So just letting you guys know, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.